2017 Audi A4 2.0T Quattro. Silence is golden, especially in an election year. But in a sports sedan, silence can be eerie. Absent the sound of hot air ripping through an exhaust, can you really be sure you're in a car that performs? In the case of the 2017 Audi A4 2.0T Quattro, the sound level meter confirms its soft-spoken nature. At a steady 70 miles per hour, the A4 puts out a mere 63 decibels. That's less noise than you'll get in an S-Class, Audi's own A8, and the sensory deprivation tank, also known as the Lexus LS600 HL. A Rolls-Royce Phantom is quieter, but only by 1 decibel. Point the A4 down a highway and all you hear is a light ruffling of wind, and watch your speed. The A4 is barely louder at 100 miles per hour. Some of the credit for the silence has to go to the new A4's low, 0.27 drag coefficient. But it isn't just the wind that barely notices the new sheet metal, people's gazes will slip right off it as well. The design, a modest evolution of the old A4, isn't exactly eye-catching. But that doesn't mean there's a bad line on the car. Indeed, there is a great line, a crease that runs along the side and into the shutline of the clamshell hood. At the tail end, Audi has finally figured out how to get its thin band of sweeping LED turn signals past US regulators. Under that thick veil of conservatism and refinement, however, is indeed a sports sedan. Rev-ended up, and the turbocharged inline-4 spark pierces the calm. The 4-cylinder is a variation of the engine that powered the previous A4, iron block and all, but enhancements to the head and turbocharger bring output to 252 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 273 pound-feet of torque at 1,600 revolutions per minute, up from 220 horses and 258 pound-feet. Snarly yet smooth, the 4 is free of lag and delivers a strong pull from idle to redline. Connected to the engine is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic that replaces a conventional 8-speed automatic. A 6-speed manual will be available in early 2017. Audi informs us that it did extensive work to get the dual-clutch to match the feel of a torque converter automatic when accelerating from a rest. It engages easily, smoothly, and predictably from a stop or a slow roll.